In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending connection requests on LinkedIn. If you're trying to keep your LinkedIn network tidy, it helps to know exactly where your pending invitations live, both the ones people have sent you and the ones you've sent to others. Let's walk through it together so you can review, manage, and clean up those requests with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to linkedin.com. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and click on My Network. This is the hub for all things related to your connections and invitations. Right here, you'll see the invitations you've received from other members. Take a moment to skim through the names and headlines so you recognize who's reaching out. From here, you can choose to accept or ignore each invitation. Accepting will immediately add that person to your network, which means you'll both see updates from each other and be able to message directly. If you're not sure you want to connect, you can ignore the request. Ignoring simply dismisses it and doesn't notify the sender, so it's a low-pressure way to keep your list clean. It's a good idea to accept requests from people you know, colleagues you want to stay in touch with, or professionals whose work is relevant to your goals. Next, if you want to check the connection requests you've sent out, look for the Manage option on the same My Network page and click it. This opens a more detailed view of your invitations. Switch to the Sent tab to see every invitation you've recently sent. This list is helpful for spotting old or unanswered requests. If you notice invitations that have been pending for a while or that you no longer want to keep open, you can withdraw them. Withdrawing removes the invitation from the other person's inbox and tidies up your list. Just keep in mind that withdrawing can't be undone, and if you change your mind later, you may need to wait before sending a new invitation to the same person. That's all there is to it. By using My Network to review received invitations and the Manage section with the Sent tab to check the ones you've sent, you'll stay on top of your pending connections and present a more intentional, organized network. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to check pending connection requests on LinkedIn.